Reporting live! We're from
Live
Niagara
from the
Falls!
Krystal Palace! Coming to you from Niagara Falls! We're in the thick of it right now!
What's the weather?
Raining! And wet!
We have made it to Niagara Falls. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Krystal Palace. I can't wait to share with you all of our adventures here in Niagara Falls. We are on the Canada side today. We are starting right here in Clifton Hill. Let's go. Right off the bat, this place is actually insane. It's kind of like Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. It has some really funky things. I'm gonna show you everything that we're gonna experience, but we have our eyes on the prize because our first adventure here in Niagara Falls, look at that. Check this out. It is the Franken coaster on top of a Burger King. That's right, there is nothing else like it. Look at it. It's insane. Oh yeah, we're here with the one and only Joey Palace.
Hello.
Okay, I'm so excited for this. Look at Frankenstein, he's eating a burger. So we have to go in here through the Frankenstein Museum. Oh my gosh, it's Igor. Roller coaster. Look at this. Oh my god. I literally can't see anything.
Oh my god.
Is this gonna be like a jump scare? Because I'm like not like.
I don't know. I don't think so. Did you look into this already?
No. This is insane. It looks way lighter on my phone than it does in person.
I haven't been on a roller coaster in years.
Oh gosh, I don't think this is a good first one, Joey. Oh, we're on the roof. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No turning back now.
Well, I want to.
Woo! Here we go! Frankenstein! Yeah! We got this! We got
Hold on to your thing.
I'm holding on, baby! Oh my god! Woo! Ah! Oh my god! The Burger King logo is sending me into another dimension right now. Oh god! Oh god! Oh my god! We're going off the hill. We're literally going.
Hold on to this.
Oh my gosh. The fact that we're like on the roof of a Burger King right now.
Are we gonna get burgers after this?
Yes! Yes! We are getting burgers! That was great.
Yeah, that was fun.
Oh my gosh. Oh, what a way to start the morning. Oh man.
A bit racing, yeah.
Yeah.
In fact, don't forget anything in the bins.
All right.
It's right up front here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Got everything?
Yep.
Thank you.
You happy we did it?
Yeah, that was fun. Are you happy we did it?
Yeah.
We survived the Franken coaster. Can't see a thing.
What is somebody just...
How many people fall down the stairs a day, do you think? Seriously. Oh my gosh, the Franken coaster. Joey, what did you think?
I would do it again. We actually did it
We got to
twice.
go twice. We had the whole car to ourselves. It was so much fun. I was laughing so hard.
No, 34
So
Canadian.
it was 34 Canadian dollars and it was 26 USD to ride it. I think that was worth it. That was so fun. So yeah, that was us up there on the roof of this Burger King. And you can, of course, eat inside. They have a sky wheel, Boston pizza.
This is watch on the hill.
All right, we are making our way now towards Niagara City Cruises to go on the hornblower and get a taste of Niagara Falls. I've never been here before. I've never been to Niagara Falls, so I'm so excited. This is gonna be my first time ever seeing the falls. And Joey's been to Niagara Falls, but you haven't been on the Canada side, right?
I don't remember much of it.
He don't know. Oh look, there's Dracula's Haunted Castle. So a lot of these like kitschy, funky. There's a Ruby Tuesday.
Place is like the ultimate Crystal Village. Just pretty much any tourist attraction. Ruby Tuesday, Starbucks. things of that nature.
So me. There's a rainforest cafe. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh, I see it. Wow. Do you see it? I hear it. Wow. We made it, y'all. Here it is. That's what we're gonna do right down there. Go on that boat. 1 million gallons of water pours down the falls per second. Can you believe it?
Oh, that's made in the mist right there.
Yep, that's the American boat over there. And this
Really?
is the Canada boat. Yeah, so they're practically the same exact thing.
Wait, so why did we come all the way here?
Because we wanted to go to Clifton Hill. And did you know that Niagara Falls is only 12,000 years old compared to the Grand Canyon, which is millions of years old? So like, which is like kind of crazy to compare. Lake Erie to Lake Ontario makes up the Niagara Falls. All right, so here is where we're gonna get our boat tickets. Now you can do this one, which is Niagara City Cruises, or the Hornblower on the Canada side, or over in America is Made of the Mist. We're doing the Canada side one. Self-serve boat tickets. It's pretty pricey at 86 USD, but let's see if it's worth it. This way to boarding, yes! So the boats run every 15 minutes. Right over our heads too is a zip line. That's really fun. That was about $50 if you wanted to do that. Just hearing the roar of the falls is insane. Okay, before boarding, they have a little area here where you can get drinks and food. Now we got ooh, poncho time. Let's get our red, red poncho. Thank you so much. All right, time to put my poncho on because we are going to get wet. Thankfully, it was not a long wait. I saw online some people waited like 2 hours.
Well, we just walked up.
We just walked on. And wait, guys, from Hershey Lodge, I got a hairnet.
Oh, no.
I'm prepared. Got to protect the hair, people. But I don't care. You know what? I don't care. I have a wedding that goes. Can't get my hair ruined. Oh my gosh, this is going to be insane. Look at this. We're on Canada flag. Hey, Canada, eh?
Or Niagara City Cruises. Yeah. This is an important thing.
Oh my. It is so windy. Okay, here's the boat. Look at this. Ah! We're gonna get so close to the falls. I'm so excited. All right, we're leaving. Of Niagara Falls.
Let's see what happens.
I'm so excited.
Where we will pass the American Falls.
Wow.
We're passing the American Falls right here.
Niagara Falls, which
Oh, look at people. Wave to people on top. Hey.
To the left of the Horseshoe Falls and is located between Prospect Point and Luna.
Wow.
Its water flow.
This is crazy.
Gallons,
Look at this.
8,800
We're right under Niagara Falls.
In a recent notable.
Tons of birds here. It's a very big area for birds I was reading up on.
Geological studies and
The Cave of the Winds walk over on the America side, and you are just getting absolute drenched. You are walking right under Niagara Falls right there. All right, here we come into the Canadian Falls, 180
feet. At the
feet.
base of the falls, it was 184 feet, or 56 meters deep. Witness.
Now, Joey went up there. I'm saying it back. Wow, look at that. I can't see anything.
Oh my god, I'm getting soaked. Oh, wow.
That's crazy. Oh my gosh, look at it coming cascading over like that. That is incredible up close. Seriously. Oh my. Oh! Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh. 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 Joey! I can't even see! I can't even see anything! The fog. I don't see nothing. Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
Oh my god, I'm soaked.
Look at it cascading over. Like, that's so insane. I can't.
Oh my god, I'm getting soaked.
Where? I can't.
Oh my god.
Look at it cascading over. Like, that's so insane.
Oh, jeez. Wow.
Look at that.
Oh, Krystal! Oh my god! No, 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 no! Oh no! You're soaked.
I feel like I'm like the Krusty Krab pizza. You know when like the SpongeBob episode? Oh,
Is the pizza for you and me? The Krusty Krab pizza.
we're turning.
Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so soaked. Oh. 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 Oh my god. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my god. Oh.
I can't even see the balls. I'm not gonna lie to anyone right now.
Oh. Oh jeez.
So mad.
That is a lot of water. Oh man. Oh man. Oh my gosh. My god, my legs are absolutely wrecked. I look like a... Oh my god. Krystal, look at my leg.
I think Joey got a little more wet than me.
A little.
It is actually drenched. I feel good. Guys, that hair.
I got my money's worth.
This is a total like hack because my hair is dry. I would have gotten
I
dry.
might want to put it back on.
Oh yeah, true. Okay. Help, help, help. But yeah, this kept my hair really dry. My arms are soaked, my legs are soaked. But like Joey said, this was so worth it, worth the money because that was like insane. Could you see though? I couldn't like see. I was just getting like pounded with water, but it was so fun. We're not even off the boat yet, and Joey goes, okay, after this, we're gonna change and we're gonna go on the most banger wing tour. That's just what bro is thinking about right now after just going into this amazing natural wonder.
I'm hungry.
So I want to tell you something really cool though. So at Niagara Falls, before 1950, every year the falls would cause an erosion of the land up to 1 foot. So what they did was they dumped a bunch of rocks and they actually stopped the falls for a few months in 1969. And within that time, my dad actually visited Niagara Falls for the first time ever, which is insane because when we were planning this trip, I was like, Dad, have you ever been to Niagara Falls? And he was like, yeah, but there was no water. I was like, stop. I was like, you are like, that's not true. I was like, then you need to go to Niagara Falls. But then we looked it up and it was 100% true. So he went during that rare time. There was no water, which is insane. We're out. Thankfully, it is 63 degrees. It is May 22nd, Memorial Day weekend. It's totally not as crowded as I anticipated it to be, which I'm very happy about. We got an ornament, guys. So excited. And this might just be one of my favorite ornaments. I love how it's a postcard. It has the boats in there, and then on the back, how amazing is that? Wow, I actually just got flashback to Vegas with that. That's the observation tower. You can see Niagara Falls, but it looks like the Strat. And I was like looking for like people jumping off on the bungee jump. It looks like the Strat, right? An older version. I'm never doing that again. If you haven't seen that video, you should check it. Also, a change of clothes is highly recommended for after the falls, but don't be like Joey and have to take out your whole entire luggage. Be like Krystal and have your change of clothes already in your carry-on. Even though I'm really not that wet, but I'm going to change anyway because it's like just like my arms. All right, we are on our way over to Buffalo, back into America. Got to show our enhanced license again. The whole process of getting over the border too was super easy. I'll insert that footage right here. To Canada, oh Canada, oh Canada. Here we go. We're in Canada.
Of a mile. Stay to the left to QEW toward Niagara Falls, Hamilton, Toronto.
All right, autos, that's us. Here we go. We're going through the border. I knew my enhanced driver's license would come in handy one day. Ontario, woo! Okay, so that was a very easy process. since we have New York State driver's license, we have enhanced license, so that means you can just drive into Canada or Mexico without a passport because you have like an enhanced license. I don't know, whatever that means exactly, we have. So we did it. We're in Canada, eh? That was easy. It took about 10 minutes, not even. Now we are both starving and getting a little hangry. So we are driving 40 minutes to Buffalo to the first famous wing stop of the day. Joey said he's gonna eat just wings all day. Let's see how many he ends up eating. Drop your predictions in the comments. Joey, what's your prediction? You said 30.
I mean, that's nothing crazy. I could do more, but I'm on a little bit of a diet right now. So let's call it 35 total.
But when in Rome.